Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. Today's lesson is going to be about continuous use of prepositions to and for. When do we use to? When do we use for? To is going to be primarily for direction. And for will have several opportunities to be used. For benefit, for time, for purpose, and for money. Let's look. In sentence number 1, we have a sentence. I will give this to or for you. I will give this to or for. Let's think like this. Imagine I am holding a gift. I have something in my hand and you are standing near me. I will give this to you. It is moving direction. It is moving from me to you. Direction. I will give this to you. Make sense? I will give this to you. I will give this for you, not exactly. Now, we could use for in a particular sentence, but in this sentence, we would not. We're merely talking about direction here. Sentence number 2. Are you going to the store or are you going for the store? Let's look at our clues here. Are we talking about direction or are we talking about benefit or time or purpose or money? Given the sentence that we have, we are purely talking about direction. Would you agree? Are you going to the store? Yes, direction. Are you going for the store? No, not direction. Number 3. Please give it to me or please give it for me. Given the sentence construction, are we talking about direction? We are. What is the clue word here that talks about direction? The word give talks about movement, talks about here to there. I'm going to give you something. You see the implication of movement here. Give. I will give this to you. Simply said, simply seen as direction. Please give it to me. Now, can we say, please give it for me? Not with that sentence structure. We could use for in a different structure, but that is another matter. For now, the basic sentence, please give it to me. Number 4, I need gas to my car, or I need gas for my car. Which is correct? Do you see direction here? I don't see direction. So I need gas to my car would not be correct, right? What about for? Why is for correct? I need gas for my car. Why is for correct? I need gas for my car. I need gas for my car. Purpose. The purpose of gas is to have your car move. You need gas in your car. You need gas for your car. Purpose. Makes sense? Let's continue. Number 5. You will be on vacation to a while or for a while. Question for you. Do you see anything in this sentence that has to do with direction? Not exactly. Well, yes, you're going someplace, you are going in a direction, but that's not the sentence. The sentence is a place for some time. Some time. What is the clue? A while. A while talks about time. Correctly said. You will be on vacation for a while. A while, time. For. Okay? Number 6. I use a hammer blank building. Now, pay attention to this because there are some choices for you as you learn English. Properly said with this sentence construction. I use a hammer to building? No, there is no direction here. I use a hammer to building? No. I use a hammer for building. For building. For building talks about, again, purpose. For is used as purpose in this sentence, but now be careful. I use a hammer for building. The word building is a gerund. So in that case, we would use for building. For building. What about to? Now to can be used, but it's going to change. Here's why. I use a hammer to build. I use a hammer to build. In that case, to is used as an infinitive. To build. To build. Infinitive. For building, gerund. Distinction. For building, ing needed. To build, infinitive. Both are correct, but must be careful. When using the gerund, for is needed. For building. Okay? So either is correct, but with some distinction. I use a hammer for building. I use a hammer to build. Okay? Number 7. She has a gift, blank, you. She has a gift, blank, you. Now, is to correct? She has a gift to you? No. Why? Do you see any movement verbs in this sentence? There is no movement verb. There is no direction verb. All it is has. Doesn't imply movement of any kind. Doesn't imply direction of any kind. She just merely possesses. She has a gift to you. No. She has a gift for you. She has a gift for you. For. Why for? We can answer the question why for is correct. Sorry, my red pen is running out. I was hoping to use red for and black for to, but my red pen's not cooperating. Sorry. So now, she has a gift for you. The correct preposition is for because. Benefit. Benefit. Would you say it's a benefit to receive a gift? Yes, it's a benefit. She has a gift for you. Okay? Last example. He bought the house blank a lot of money. He bought the house blank a lot of money. Two? He bought the house to a lot of money? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. There's absolutely no direction in to or in this particular example, is there? No. But now we're talking about money. Money is connected to the preposition for. Here it goes. He bought the house for a lot of money. He bought the house for a lot of money. The use of for has quite a few more need than the use of to, depending on the structure of the English sentence. Is that what makes English so complicated sometimes? Yes, using infinitives, using gerunds, that's going to change to or for, as we saw. Again, we will reiterate, let's just practice. To. To is primarily for direction. For is for benefit, for time, for purpose, and for money. Who doesn't like money? I have a gift for you. It's money.